Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 10th Mathematics Part 1st and its lesson number 3rd, Arithmetic Progression. In previous videos, we have learned sequence, terms in sequence, arithmetic progression, nth term of an arithmetic progression. Today we are going to learn sum of first n terms of an AP. Arithmetic progression A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on A plus n minus 1 into D. In this progression, A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then sum of first n terms is calculated by using formula Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of first n terms of an AP is denoted by Sn. Another formula for Sn is Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. T1 means first term and Tn means last term. That is Sn equal to n upon 2 first term plus last term. Now by using this formula we have to solve some examples in practice set 3.3. See first example. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. In this example, we have to calculate sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Okay, let's see solution. First write down even natural numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on to n are the even natural numbers. Here A equal to T1 means first term. Therefore, A equal to T1 equal to 2. Then T2 means second term. Therefore, T2 equal to 4. T3 means third term. T3 is 6. T4 is 8 and so on. D means common difference. That is difference between two consecutive terms. Here difference between two consecutive terms is 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is again 2. Means difference is common, that is 2. Then n. N means number of terms. Number of terms are 123. Therefore n is 123. Now we know that formula for sum of the first n terms of AP, that is Sn, is what? Sn equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute values. Therefore Sn is 123. Therefore S123 equal to n is 123 divided by 2 into 2a is 2 plus n is 123 minus 1 into d is 2. Now simplify. 123 upon 2. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 123 minus 1, that is 122 into 2. Write down 123 upon 2 as it is. 4 plus 122 into 2, that is 244. 123 upon 2. 4 plus 244, that is 248. Now 123 into, divide 248 by 2, that is we get 124. Therefore 123 into 1 24 is 15252. After multiply you get 15,252. That is value of S 123. Therefore the sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Okay. Now we see second example. Second example is find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. See solution. Here we have to find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. First write down even numbers between 1 and 350. That is, the even numbers between 1 and 350 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Last number is 348. Here A equal to, A means first term, that is T1 is 2. T2 means second term, that is 4. T3 means third term, that is 6 and so on. Now write down D. D means difference between two consecutive terms. Here difference between two consecutive terms is 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is again 2. 8 minus 6 is again 2. That means difference D is 2. Tn means last term, which is 348. For calculating the value of Sn, we have to know the value of n. So first we have to find n by using formula of Tn. And formula of Tn is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute values here. Therefore Tn is 348 equal to A is 2 plus n minus 1 and D is 2. Therefore 348 minus 2 equal to n minus 1 into 2. Therefore 348 minus 2 is 346 equal to n minus 1 into 2. Therefore 346 divided by 2 equal to n minus 1. Therefore 346 divided by 2 we get 173 equal to n minus 1. That is n minus 1 equal to 173. Therefore n equal to 173 plus 1, that is equal to 174. Therefore value of n is 174. That means the even numbers between 1 and 350 are 174. Now we have to calculate sum of these even numbers. Here we use for another formula of Sn, that is Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. T1 means first term, Tn means last term. Now substitute value here. Therefore Sn means S was 74 equal to 174 divided by 2. T1 means 2 plus Tn is last term 348, which is equal to 174 divided by 2 into 2 plus 348, 350. That is 174 divided by 2 we get 87 into 350. After multiplication we get as 174 equal to 30,450. Therefore the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350 is 30,450. Next example, if an AP 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find sum of first 56 terms. In this example, 19th term and 38th term are given and we have to find sum of first 56 terms. See solution. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. Then write down given terms. T19 is 52. T38 is 128. We have to calculate sum of first 56 terms, means n is 56. See carefully how to calculate as 56, that is sum of first 56 terms. Here first write down formula of Tn. Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore T19 equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. That is equal to, therefore T19 is 52 equal to A plus 19 minus 1 is 18D. This is equation number 1. Now we have to calculate second equation from T38. Therefore T38 is what? T38 equal to, in this formula put n equal to 38. Therefore T38 equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. And the value of T38 is 128. Therefore 128 equal to A plus 38 minus 1, that is 37 into D. This is equation 2. Now we have to add equation 1 and 2. Therefore adding equation 1 and 2, adding equations 1 and 2. Equation number 1 is 52 equal to A plus 18D plus 128 equal to A plus 37D. 52 plus 128 is equal to 180 equal to A plus A is 2A plus 18 plus 37, that is 55D. That is 2A plus 55D equal to 180. This is equation number 3. Now write down the formula of Sn, and formula is Sn equal to n upon 2 to 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute values. N is 56 upon 2 and Sn means S56. 2A plus n minus 1, that is 56 minus 1 into D, which is equal to 56 upon 2 is 28. Now substitute here 2a plus 56 minus 1 is 55 into d. Here 2a plus 55d, that is equation number 3, and value of 2a plus 55d is what? 180. Therefore from 3 we can substitute the value of 2a plus 55d, that is 28 into 180, that is 28 into 180. After multiplying we get 5040. That means the sum of first 56 terms is 500, and that is the sum of first 56 terms is 5040. Okay, next example. The sum of the first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. In this example, we have to given sum of first 55 terms, that is 3300, and we have to find its 28th term. That means we have to find T28. Let's see solution. First write down given terms, that is given as 55, that is sum of first 55 terms is 3300. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. Then write down formula of Sn. Sn is what? N upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute values. Therefore S55 equal to 55 upon 2 into 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. S55 is what? 3300 equal to 55 upon 2. 2a plus 55 minus 1 is 54 into t. Now 3300 equal to 55 into divide 2 to this bracket, we get 2 get cancel. A plus 54 divided by 2 is 27 d. Therefore 3300 divided by 55 equal to A plus 27 d. 3300 divided by 55 we get 60, which is equal to here bracket write down. That is A plus 27 d. Write down this is expression 1. Now we have to find 28th term. That is the 28th term is 28th term is T28. Therefore we know formula for Tn is A plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore T28 is a plus 28 minus 1 into d. Therefore t28 equal to a plus 27 into d, and we have value of a plus 27 into d. See expression 1. Now substituting value of a plus 27 d, that is 60 from 1. Therefore 28 term is 60. Write down answer. Therefore the 28 term is 60. In this way you can solve remaining examples in practice set 3.3. I hope you understand how to calculate sum of first n terms of an AP. Thank you.